Hello, and welcome to Grade 11 Math Review. My friend and I are going to review some of the basic functions such as linear and quadratic. So without further ado, let's jump right into them. Linear functions are basically functions in a form of a line with a general equation of y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope and b indicates the vertical shift, such as y equals 2x plus 3, which if you graph it, it will look something like this. In order to graph linear functions, you can insert numbers in x, in which function will give you corresponding numbers in y that allows you to locate points of the graph in the given x position. For example, if my function is y equals negative 2x plus 1 and I want to find the points of it, first I will insert a few numbers, usual numbers with low value, in x and find corresponding numbers in y. I repeat this process until I have enough points to sketch my graph. Great! By having at least 2 points on the graph, you can draw a linear function which passes through the points and makes the graph of the given equation. In y equals negative 2x plus 1, it will look something like this.
The quadratic function is one of the form fx equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are numbers with z not equal to 0. The graph of a quadratic function is a curve called a parabola. Parabola may open upward or downward and vary in width or steepness, but they will all have the same basic U shape. All parabolas are symmetric with respect to a line called the axis of symmetry. A parabola intersects its axis of symmetry at a point called the vertex of the parabola. You can easily find the x-axis of symmetry by using negative b divided by 2a, and it's also the x value for the vertex. Sub in this number to the function, you can easily figure out the vertex. The way you should graph quadratic function is finding the x-axis of symmetry and the vertex first, and then sub in several points to finish the graph.
Linear functions can be easily distinguished from quadratics in terms of algebra, as linear functions have an exponent of 1 under x, while quadratics have an exponent of 2 under x, such as the examples below. In terms of graphing, linear functions, as their name hints, have a line-shaped graph. On the other hand, quadratics have a U-shaped graph, which makes them easy to distinguish from a linear function, as you can see in the graphs below. Practice time. Pause the video and group the following functions as a linear function, quadratic, or other. Ready? Let's do these questions. Answer 1. Linear. Exponent of x is 1. The format is also according to y equals mx plus b. Answer 2. Quadratic. Exponent of x is 2. Answer 3. Quadratic. The highest exponent is 2. The factored form results in x to the exponent 2. Answer 4. Other. The equation is neither quadratic nor linear and not even a function, but rather a relation due to even exponent of y. Answer 5. Linear. Exponent of 1, rearranged version of y equals x minus 7.
Pause the video. Let's do the example question right now. Find the intercepts, the axis of symmetry, and vertex of y equals x squared minus x minus 12, and try to graph this function. So first you gotta find the vertex. In order to find the vertex, you have to set y to 0. You got x equals to 4, x equals to negative 3, and then you have to find the y-intercepts. Set the x equals to 0, you got y equals to negative 12, and then you find the vertex equals 0.5. Thanks for watching our videos. Have fun with math.